If you want to turn on the flashlight on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how to do that. For the first method, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. And in the control center, you will find the flash icon over here. Just tap on it and you will turn on the flash on your iPhone. Now, if you tap on the dynamic island, you can change the intensity of the light, just like that. And you can also narrow it down and you can make it softer by swiping horizontally on the screen, just like that. Now, if you cannot find the flash icon in your control center, just tap and hold on the empty space on your control center, then select Add a Control. Now from here, just search this. Now just tap on the torch icon and you will add it to your control center. Then tap on the empty space on your control center to save the changes. And from here, you will be able to turn on and off the flashlight from the control center, just like that. For the second method, just go to Settings, then tap on Action button. And from here, you can set the Action button to enable the torch instead of the silent mode or any other feature. Just swipe to the right or to the left side and select Torch. And after you select Torch, you will be able to turn on the torch by pressing and holding on the Action button, just like that. And this is how you can turn on the flashlight on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.